Hey guys, it's me, Amanda, also known as Amateurist, and today we are finally doing another makeup video that I haven't done in a long time. Probably it's not as long as you guys have been receiving videos because I pre-video them, or pre-do them, or pre-something. But either way, I haven't been behind the camera in a while, so welcome, and come join me to do this night out makeup. I probably have done one a long time ago, but this is a renewed version. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and it's easy to follow and it's simple, hopefully. And I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, it's been a while. I haven't filmed in a long time. For you guys it's probably not as long because I pre-film everything. But here we are, sitting down, about to film a makeup video. Forgive me now if you hear noises in the background. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a voiceover or if I'm going to talk through this. So if you see me talking but I'm doing a voiceover, that's why. Because there's a lot of noises going around, mostly tear. Let's just get started, because this is going to be a long video. I already primed my face and cleaned it and all that jazz. I already put moisture on my lips, or a balm on my lips. First and foremost, I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Looks like this. It's a sample size. And I'm just going to place this on my T-zone, where most of my pores like to be. Now I'm using NYX Dark Circle Concealer in Light. I should probably get a darker shade than this, but this is the shade I'm using. It's like a very light salmon color, or a peach, I guess. I'm going to use a artiste brush, and I'm going to place this all over my dark circles. Now I'm going to dab the color, or the concealer, or the dark circle concealer with my damp beauty blender just to get it to stick in. I'm using Decay's All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer in Light Neutral. Going back to my damp beauty blender to blend it all out. Wow, that concealer really covers up red spots pretty good. I was not expecting that. Now I'm going to my foundation, which is L'Oreal's True Matte Super Blendable Makeup in Natural Buff and 3. Now I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in 22N Light Neutral. Now I'm using Becca Hydramist Set and Refresh Powder. I don't think you can purchase this anymore. I think I've looked and I couldn't find it anywhere, which sucks because it's my favorite setting powder. And I wanted to put it up for you guys to be able to purchase, but it's nowhere to be found unless you go on like eBay, but I don't trust those sites when it comes to makeup. While I'm letting that set and bake, I'm going to do my brows, which I'm not going to show you because I've done it plenty of times on camera and I just don't need to show you, so I'm just going to skip past this part. After my brows are done, I'm going to wipe the white powder off using a fluffy brush. Now let's get to the eyes before we put contour, blush, and all that on. To prime my eyes, I'm using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer in medium beige, but you can use any shade you wish, especially if it's close to your skin tone. And this places all over your eyelid. To set my concealer, I'm using the beige color from the Coastal Scents Revealed Palette number 3 and a brush that has no name, so I can't tell you where it came from. I'm sorry. I'm going to apply this everywhere I place the concealer, including the brow bone. Now using the Morphe palette 35M and its shade Play It Cool, I'm going to apply this at the very end of my eye and brushing it inwards towards the center, but not quite making it to the center. I'm using the Morphe M506 brush. From the same palette, I'm using the shade Talk Dirty and the same brush. I'm going to brush this at the end of my eye in a sideways V shape. Using the unnamed blending brush, I am going to blend out the edges of the eyeshadow to smooth them out. Going back to the Revealed palette, I'm taking the light beige color with an unnamed packing brush. First, I'm going to spray the packing brush with Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Rose Primer, so to grab the pigment of the shade, and then pat the color onto my eyelid everywhere the browns didn't touch. Going back to the Play It Cool color from the Morphe palette and an unnamed pencil brush, I'm going to blend this out on my lower lid. I'm going to follow the line of my lower lid to about a quarter to the front of my eye. From the same palette, I'm taking the shade Talk Dirty and blending it out at the very end of my eye on my lower lid. From the same Morphe palette, I'm taking the shade Black Magic and the Anastasia Beverly Hills 12 angle brush and lighting my top lid with the black shade. I'm doing a thin line along my lid so not to be too dramatic. Also, my apologies for being cut off partially through this part. I had to get real close to the mirror to put this on. Again from the same Morphe palette, I'm taking the shade Light of the Party and the unnamed pencil brush. I'm going to wet the brush with Wet n Wild's primer and then apply the color around my tear duct. I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm not sure which brand of eyelash curler this is, but you can basically use any eyelash color you want. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Blackest Black and shuffling the brush through my lashes. For falsies, I'm applying Kiss Lashes in Ritzy. I may not appear during the time of applying this because I also need to get close to the mirror to apply my lashes. Now to continue with the rest of the face. To contour, I'm using Kat Von D's Shade and Light palette in the shade Subconscious. I'm going to blend this out along my cheekbones, temples, forehead, and along my jawline and under my chin. For blush, I'm using the blush shade out of Rimmel's Kate 002 Coral Glow Trio. For highlighting, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero's Glow Kit in the shade Forever Lit. I'm going to press this down on my cheekbone and my nose using my finger. I'm honestly surprised I haven't hit pan on this yet, honestly. To assure I don't have any caking on my face, I'm going to dab my face with a damp beauty blender. For lipstick, I'm using NYX Matte Lipstick in the shade Honeymoon. To set my face, I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Rose Primer and spraying it all over my face from a good distance. And that's how you get this look. I hope it's easy to follow, and it is a really pretty look. It's simple for night out. And sorry for all the noise. My roommates are up, and this is the only time I get to film. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Like, comment, and subscribe.